Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Sweet Kawaii that I want to share. I get a monthly, actually I get 2 monthly subscriptions from her, and I am always excited to get them because I don't know if you've ever used Sweet Kawaii, but they are fabulous in my opinion. They are vinyl stickers. So you do have to be careful of what kind of pen you use on them, but they are so nice. I love them, and I love the packaging. Both that packaging, I save that to recycle it and use it for Happy Mail. And then I also love these, which I also use as recycle. And I love these little guys. Those little guys remind me of my girl gang, and that's kind of her signature characters in Sweet Kawaii, so they're really cute. All right, this is for November. Oh my gosh, it looks adorable. She really does a great job. She is very creative and she has some awesome ideas. And what I am doing, I am saving them for my planner for next year. And I know that that probably sounds kind of goofy. And the only thing that I have to use this year are these, because these are for this year. But aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But I like to have my whole planner done for the year when I start to use it, because I never know what I'm going to be planning. I plan really far out sometimes, especially with YouTube and all of that. So this is going to be for my YouTube planner. And I could just go ahead and start decorating it, but I haven't yet. But this has a little sampler, and she does tell you about your pens, to what to be careful for. And thankful. She gives you one of these with every package, which I think is awesome. I use these. You can use them however you want. I usually punch holes in it and put it in my planner as a thing, and then sometimes I'll put it on a piece of paper so that I can write on the back, whatever you want to do. And she gives you wacky holidays, and this is for 2019, but I just use them for whatever year I'm going to use it for. I don't really care. And these are fun. I mean, it's silly. Take a hike day, fast food day, clean out the refrigerator day, deviled egg day, cook for your pets day. I don't know where she gets these, but it's hilarious. Small business day, which obviously we know is the Monday after. Well, Thursday, Friday, she has it as Saturday, so I don't know. Small business Saturday. Espresso day, cranberry relish day, who knew? Play Monopoly day, just fun. And then there are little half boxes and headers. And then there are full boxes. Gobble till you wobble. Small seeds of gratitude will produce a harvest of hope. Be thankful, eat, drink, and wear stretchy pants. Let your hearts be full of both thanks and giving. That's so sweet. And then here are some checklists and some like bills due kind of a stickers, mortgage, electric, school loans, whatever you want that to be, maybe a hospital bill, whatever, different things. And hello November, grateful, bills, weekends, some cute pumpkins. This one is to buy, to do, has planner, habit trackers and quarter boxes and some full boxes. And then this one has the days and the dates, and then all of your cleaning stickers. They're just really cool. And then you also get washi, which is super cute. So I just love her stickers, and I think they're amazing. And they're so sweet. I'm really excited about them. And I'm excited about using them for my planner for next year too. So, and actually in doing this, it's making me think, I wonder if I should go ahead and get that started and get it set up. I don't know if I will quite yet. I'm working on a million other things, so we shall see, but I do really like these, and I think that she does a great job. So if you're interested in kits like this, she sells them on sweetkawaiidesign.com. Just go there and check it out, and you can sign up for her monthly package, which is fabulous. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.